I've had a talk with your mom already.
Good morning, ma'am.
Arush, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
I had a talk with your mom yesterday.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you have sent the talkative barber question answer.
No. Today I will send.
Okay.
Okay, we were yesterday on page number 107, exercise number 3. So what are we going to do today? These are called joining words. Okay. Joining words as in, what are joining words? There is a name for them. What are joining words? Who's going to tell me?
Adverb.
Huh?
Ma'am, can I?
Vivan Patel, I will faint. Adverb. What are joining words called? Which part of speech is called joining words? Like name of places, animals, things are called nouns. What are joining words called? Yes, Advika knows. Tell me, Advika.
Ma'am, conjunction.
Very right. They are called conjunctions
Like
because
and
if,
but.
right, if,
And
or, because, till, where, unless, so, while. They join two sentences. That's why they are called conjunctions and joining words. Okay. So look at the first sentence example. You ordered me to come, so I will not quit your house till I have shaved you. Now these are 3 sentences, so they've used 2 joining words in this sentence. Usually you'll have only one. Number 2, while he was shaving me, he could not stop talking. So they've joined 2 sentences. It's not necessary, children, one thing you need to remember, it's not necessary that the conjunction will come in the middle of the 2 sentences when you're joining the 2 sentences. It can be in the beginning as well, as you can see in the second sentence. While he was shaving me, he could not stop talking. So let's do the sentences. Now we have to use the joining words which are given in the yellow box. Can you see in your book, page 107?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Please wait with me, dash the bus arrives. Eva, answer this. Please wait with me till dash the bus arrives. Eva, can you hear me? Jewel, answer this.
Ma'am.
Purv, you will not switch on your mic unnecessarily. There's a lot of background noise in your place. Yes, Jewel.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Please wait with me till the bus arrives.
Till the bus arrives. So number 1 joining word is till. Number 2, do you like football, dash, cricket? Kanan, answer this.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you like football, dash, cricket?
Do you like football or cricket?
Very good. Do you like football or cricket? So they're giving 2 choices. So that's why or will come. My father packed my lunch, dash my mother combed my hair. I want Ishana to answer this.
Yes, ma'am. My father packed my lunch while my mother combed my hair.
Very good. While my mother combed my hair. So when do we use while? when two things are going on at the same time, two actions are going on the same time. So on one side, father was packing the lunch, and on the other side, mother was combing the hair. So two things are going at the same time. That time we use while. Number 4. Turn the page and open page 107. We will reach on time. Dash we go by car. Riva.
Can I, ma'am?
Good morning, Pranchu.
Ma'am, I can say.
Is your name Riva?
We
Riva, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Riva. Give me the answer.
We will reach on time if we go by the car.
Very good. If we go by the car. Now this is a condition, so that's why if will come.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, that time when you asked Ivana, so her mic was not working.
No problem.
But she knew the answer that she told.
Your
The
speech cannot be heard by the audience. Dash you use a powerful mic. Sarah.
Ma'am, the answer of this is you.
Your speech cannot be heard by the audience. Dash you use a powerful mic.
And can I?
Can I, ma'am?
Sarah, do you know the answer or not? That we can move to the. You don't know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. Why were you absent yesterday?
Ma'am, because I had slept late, ma'am, last night. That's all.
Very bad. Sleep early and wake up early.
Okay, ma'am.
Purv, tell me the answer.
The answer is unless.
Very good. Answer is unless. Your speech cannot be heard by the audience unless you use a powerful mic. Number 6. It was a beautiful day. Dash, they decided to go for a picnic. Rudra, answer this.
Ma'am, so.
So they decided to go for a picnic. Good. Vansh Kalyani. I was going to leave the class. We went to the zoo.
Ma'am.
Dash, we saw many animals. Vansh Kalyani, there's no point sitting in my class.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the last one, there can be two conjunctions, but one is used.
Yeah, right. Which will we'll discuss this. Wait, let me answer this. Vansh Kalyani. Children, please don't come to my class if you don't want to participate or interact in the class. Please sleep on your beds.
Ma'am, let me check that he is there in the class or not.
He is there.
But not responding.
Yeah, it is an everyday story.
Ma'am, where?
Vansh Kalyani, switch on your camera.
Ma'am, where?
He left the meeting, right? No, he's there.
No, he's there. Vansh Kalyani, switch on your camera. No, he's not listening, ma'am.
Yes, Pranchu, answer this, please.
Where?
Where? We went to the zoo where we saw many animals. Correct. Now next one is write what you do when you are at these places. Okay. When you are at these events, please check your answers as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, write what you do when you are at a feast. So what do you do when you're at a feast? Okay, now this one might have more than one answers. So you have to choose it carefully. I'll give you 5 minutes. Complete this and I will ask you then. Complete it right now.
Ma'am,
What do
can you
you
hear me?
Yes, Eva.
Okay.
Complete this quickly. Aurav, why do I see that you're logged in twice? Your ID is showing me twice. I think Arna is also logged in through Aurav's ID.
Yes, ma'am. Arna left just now.
One Daksh is missing. Which Daksh has come? Please switch on your camera. So difficult. Daksh Manoj Patel is present and Bhavesh Patel is absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Hasti, please switch on your camera. And Josh, both of you. And Kanan. 3 of you. Hasti, whether you have PTM today. You've got the link in the mail. Please attend the PTM today. Okay? Josh,
And group 2 has PTM, no?
Yes, ma'am, I also.
Josh,
Yes,
Josh, switch on your camera, beta.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a doubt.
Josh, did you get the mail for the PTM?
yes,
Because
ma'am, I see.
did you tell Mama?
Yes.
Okay. Don't miss it.
Catherine, ma'am, I have
Kanan,
completed.
1 minute, children. Kanan, has Mama come? Has Mama come? I asked you to call your Mama or Papa. Have they come?
Yes, ma'am.
Where are they? I can't see.
Wait a minute.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you said today's group 2's today mine PTM is there, but I checked the slots, but it was not there. Mine.
All those whose name are there in the classroom will only have the PTM. So don't
Ma'am,
get
but
confused.
Bihan said na that group 2's that meeting is. I am in group 2 only.
So whom are you going to listen, Mannat? Me or Rihan?
You only.
Thank you for
Ma'am,
giving me so much importance.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, Kanani,
Catherine, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Richard
can
mother
silence
has
her
came.
come?
Yes, Kanan. Your mic is off.
Ma'am, can you show the answers?
One sec. I need to talk to Kanan's parents. Kanan, quickly, we are wasting our time.
Yes, ma'am. My father is coming.
Amazing. We have 48 today. 49. Today is,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, today we have that poem recitation, no, group 1.
Correct.
Catherine ma'am, all the poems are very nice. I read all the poem. It was very nice.
Ma'am,
Thank
I
you.
don't know because I was absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Josh,
Group 2 recitation is tomorrow.
nobody will talk in between. Josh, can you
Yes,
come on
ma'am.
Friday for the poem recitation?
But ma'am, I don't know because I was absent.
Yeah, I know. Tomorrow is your turn, but you come on Friday.
I don't know where is the poems.
It is in the classroom. Please check. I posted it yesterday also.
Catherine ma'am, Kanan's parents are waiting, I
Okay,
think.
ma'am.
Yeah, but I can't see them.
Kanan,
Yeah. Good morning, sir. Sir, ये बहुत दिन से I'm trying to get in touch with you, and every time I tell Kanan call your parents, she just simply logs off. I've sent you a mail also for that. She's not participating in any of the reading, writing, speaking sessions at all, and she's not submitting me her work. और आज इसका PTM है, आपको पता है? आपको बताया है इसने कि आज इसका PTM है?
नहीं, इसने तो नहीं बताया। मम्मा को बताया।
इसीलिए मैंने आज आपको बुलाया क्योंकि लास्ट टाइम भी आपने मिस कर दिया था। तो ये मैं 4 दिन से इसको बोल रही हूँ बुला के लाओ। कल भी इसने मुझे ऐसा बोला कि मम्मी पापा घर पे ही नहीं है, तो मैं नहीं बुला सकती। तो आज मैंने लिंक भेजा है आपको मेल में, just check that, and slots I have posted it in the classroom. Just log in into the link at that particular time. And please take care that she attends the 9:40 to 10 o'clock sessions also. She is attending the 9 to 9:40 sessions of English. बट जिस दिन उसका इंग्लिश का इधर होता है, इंग्लिश क्लास में वो अटेंड नहीं करती है। बाकियों का वो कर रही है कि नहीं मुझे नहीं पता, हिंदी और गुजराती वो कर रही है कि नहीं, आई हैव नो आइडिया। यू कैन आस्क द टीचर्स, बट शी इज नॉट अटेंडिंग इंग्लिश सेशंस।
ओके,
सॉरी 9:40 पे इंग्लिश का क्लास होता है सर। जो उसको अटेंड करना होता है वो एब्सेंट होती है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स। उसको एक ग्रुप में डिवाइड किया गया है। आई थिंक शी इज इन ग्रुप 2। यस कनन?
Yes,
so have you attended all the sessions? No
ma'am, now I am joining.
Now what is the point of joining now? In term 1 you did not come, so that has affected all your grades in the ERP. सर आपने इसका रिपोर्ट कार्ड देखा है?
हाँ देखा ना।
हाँ, तो वो आप ग्रेड्स देख रहे हो, उसकी वजह से ही उसके ग्रेड्स ऐसे हैं। एक तो वो पहले से ही वीक है इंग्लिश में, रीडिंग क्लास अटेंड नहीं करेगी तो कैसे इम्प्रूव होगा। बहुत कम रहती है वो, रीडिंग में भी बहुत कम रहती है, स्पीकिंग में तो वो प्रिपेयर्ड ही नहीं आती है। अब आज से हमारा स्पीकिंग क्लास शुरू है, उसको पूछिए उसने दिवाली पोयम लर्न किया है कि नहीं, कल उसका टर्न है।
कौन सा है?
नहीं किया है ना?
नो मैम।
मुझे इसीलिए मैं आपको कितने दिन से कोशिश कर रही हूँ आपसे मिलने की, ये बुलाती ही नहीं है. मतलब आई डोंट हैव अनदर वे टू गेट इन टच विद यू. आई हैव सेंट यू मेल्स आल्सो. आई थिंक शी इज ऑपरेटिंग एंड चेकिंग द मेल्स आल्सो एंड शी इज नॉट इन्फॉर्मिंग यू. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई थॉट कि आज तो मैंने क्लास बीच में रोक के आप इसीलिए आपसे बात कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि वो जैसे मैं उसको नाम लेती हूँ वो लॉग ऑफ कर लेती है और फिर चुपके से अंदर आ जाती है और मैं बिजी हो जाती हूँ पढ़ाने में. सो आई डोंट कम टू नो दैट शी इज लॉग्ड इन बैक.
ओके.
So please आज PTM में आइएगा तो we'll give you feedback for all the subjects for her.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Please, I want to discuss regarding maths also. So please attend the PTM.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. चलिए बस thank you. नहीं बताना था.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me who's it now?
ma'am, my mother wants to
क्या
talk
है
with you.
tell me.
Ma'am, my mother wants to talk with you.
Yeah, tell me. Come on the screen, no?
बस hold कर रही हूँ उसे.
Okay. Pranshu, stop yawning in front of the camera.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम.
Good morning, ma'am.
एक्चुअली आज जेवल की पीटीएम है बट मुझे एक्चुअली बाहर जाना है उस टाइम पे, तो आप कुछ टाइमिंग अरेंज कर सकते हो दूसरा, मीन्स कल के लिए.
मैम ऑलरेडी सारी पीटीएम मेल्स जा चुकी हैं और स्लॉट्स भी डिवाइड हो चुके हैं, इसलिए पॉसिबल नहीं होगा.
ओके ओके.
क्योंकि सारे 51 बच्चों को चले गई हैं, डिवाइड हो चुके हैं सारे ऑलरेडी.
आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट.
तो आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या है, क्यों नहीं आ पाएंगे?
मैं घर पे नहीं हूँ, मैं उस टाइम पे मुझे बाहर जाना है अर्जेंटली, आज ही डिसाइड हुआ है, तो इसलिए मैं भी शायद उस टाइम तक मैं वापस लौट भी आऊँ. आई ट्राइड माई बेस्ट कि मैं चली आऊँ उस टाइम तक वापस. ओके अगर नहीं हो पाता तो
मैं बात करके आपको बताती हूँ कल.
इट्स ओके. अगर नहीं हो पाता है तो ठीक है, मैं कुछ भी मैनेज कर लूँगी.
I'll let you know tomorrow. Try to come today, then
Yes,
I'll just talk with Jyoti ma'am and let you know tomorrow.
हाँ चौक्कस. थैंक यू सो मच.
Okay, children, have you finished? Let's complete this fast.
Yes,
So the first one is feast. What is the answer? I want Arav to answer this.
Drink and eat.
What do you do in a feast? You serve, right? We serve things. Next is race. What do we do in a race? No, not Pranchu has got a turn. Dash Sunavla. What do we do in a race?
cheer.
Huh?
We cheer अपना.
We cheer up, but what do? We compete with each other, right?
Yes, we compete
with
each
each other.
other.
Like I want to come first, right? So we compete with each other. Cricket match. What do we do in a cricket match? We
Ma'am, can I answer?
Catherine.
Yes. Yes, Jyoti ma'am.
Sorry to intervene. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, Jyoti ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jyoti ma'am.
And now I want to concentrate and
Okay, quiet. Ma'am wants to make an announcement.
Jyoti ma'am.
good morning, Beta, but I don't want anybody to now put on the input in the chat box. So good morning. Good morning. All right, Catherine ma'am. Yes, carry on. Catherine ma'am, I'm sure you must have reminded them for the PTM. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I've done.
Great. Thank you. Carry on.
Welcome. Okay, children, cricket match. What do we do in a cricket match? Vedansh will tell me. Vedansh loves playing cricket. Vedansh is there? What do we do in a cricket match, Vedansh?
Ma'am, do batting, bowling, fielding.
No. We have to choose words from the bubble box. Do you see the bubble there? The
Yeah,
blue
ma'am,
bubble. So what do we do in a cricket match? Children, it can have more than one answer also. It can have more than one answer also.
Ma'am, can I answer, please? I know.
Ma'am, can I say?
What, Vedansh? Children, please don't switch on your mics unnecessarily.
Play.
Huh?
Play.
Play, correct. We play in a cricket match. We also cheer, right? We cheer the cricketers. So one question can have more than one answers also. Cinema hall. What do we do in a cinema hall? Ishana.
Ma'am, enjoy.
Yeah, we enjoy in a cinema hall. What do we do in a fair?
Ma'am, we also sit.
Shout.
What do we do in a
Ma'am,
fair?
Shout.
Shout. We shout in a fair. We enjoy the rides in a fair.
Ma'am, in fair we buy.
We buy also. We can write more than one answer. No problem.
Ma'am,
And
but you have written the one answer only, no?
that's my wish, Devanshi.
Okay.
Okay. Party. I have given you an option. You can write more than once. What do we do in a party?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Enjoy.
Proving.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. We dance.
And we also sing.
Yes. So you can write more than one answers also. Right, correct. All are correct. Okay, now we'll do the dictation. I've just given you 10 words. Today we have the silent, which letters?
D and E.
Silent and E. Did you see the words are very easy this time?
Yes, ma'am.
Next time we are going to do silent G letter words. Okay, I'll be sending you the words today.
Ma'am, why you always now from you are doing silent D, silent C, silent D, E, why all these?
Ma'am, can I go to washroom?
Yeah, go fast and come back fast. Was this Advika? Because Advika, we need to know in English language, we write some words which we don't pronounce, right? So they come under one category called silent words. So we are doing.
Ma'am, because of the network issue, I can't join. So what we have done till now?
What, Aryan? Is Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Aryan, we completed exercise number 1 on page 108. If you got logged off, I have, I'll be sending this in the classroom too. You can check your answers from there.
Yes, ma'am.
Here's the form for the dictation. And now nobody will talk. Nobody will talk. Just type in the chat box and finish it fast. I'm posting it in the classroom also. So if anyone logs off, please access it from there. Quickly finish it. Rushika, what happened to your hair today?
Ma'am, can you
Yes.
send the link again?
It's in the classroom.
Ma'am, from classroom I opened, but it can't open. It
Refresh. Refresh.
Ma'am, I have opened the link, but it's saying you need password of your mail.
You're logged in from another ID. Poof, Jen, please switch off your mic. Vishika, switch off your mic.
Ma'am, can you please keep your mic off?
Ma'am, all things should be in small only, na?
Everything in small, Aryan.
Ma'am, can we submit now or afterwards?
Ma'am, fourth one is so confusing.
Ma'am, we have to submit afterwards.
No, start submitting, children. Start submitting.
Ma'am, can you send the link again? I am by mistaking. Someone is removing me.
Who's removing you, beta?
No one is removing, ma'am.
Ma'am, in my it's saying someone removed you.
Okay.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
minute.
Yash, that happens when there is a network issue. When there is a network issue, then you get removed from the class.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
In Wednesday, you have done capital.
Ma'am, I have done all.
is in capital.
And the eighth one, I am not understanding the pronouns. You are telling 3 times different.
3 times I'm telling same word differently. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Wow.
ma'am. Ma'am, can I submit?
Submit fast, children. If you finish, submit it quickly.
Yeah, you were saying all things in small, but Wednesday you have written in capital.
I'll check that. I put
No,
it capital
no,
because
yeah.
it's the name of a day, no? So probably
Yes,
by
ma'am. So
mistake.
I asked you, we have to write all things in small.
I'll take care of it.
Ma'am,
So, ma'am,
automatically my Wednesday W came in capital.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll take care of that. If it comes wrong, I will take care of that.
so ma'am, we have to
Mathematics.
write in the small only, no?
Any will do, Devanshi. Any will do.
Ma'am, my all spellings are right, but it is showing wrong. Handkerchief spelling is also right and it is showing wrong. Wednesday is also right and it is also showing wrong.
Okay, quiet. Let others finish. Please don't disturb.
Ma'am, can I go for my reading class?
Yes. Please go for your other reading class.
Ma'am, in first letter of fourth one, there is Wednesday. We have to write in capital letter or small letter because you are doing it reading there. It is a capital letter.
Any will do. If you write capital, that will also be considered right. If you write small, that will also be considered right.
Ma'am, I have a reading class now, but I have not completed the test. So, ma'am, can I complete and go after?
No. You go for your reading class and submit it to me after the reading class by 10:10.
Ma'am,
Your
by
reading class will get
mistake,
over at 10, no? Okay.
I did capital in Wednesday.
Ma'am,
I got right.
Children, if I tell you one thing, why don't you listen to it? I said any W will do. Capital also and small also. And you people don't think that the others are still doing, they'll not be able to hear if you talk. We are still discussing the W here. Only group 1 students stay back, rest of you can leave. I hope you've all prepared the poem, Diwali poem. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Who's going to come first? It's Aheli.
Yes, ma'am.
One sec. Yes, Aheli, let's start the poem.
The people shed so many tears when Ram left for 14 years. 14 years in a forest deep where he and Sita used to sleep. Until Ravan spoiled
his life by stealing Sita.
Haley, stop here. Why are you reading the poem?
I am not reading.
Yeah, your eyes are moving from left to right, right to right.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Start again.
The people shed so many tears when Ram left for 14 years. 14 years in a forest where he and Sita used to sleep. Until Ravan spoiled his life by stealing Sita for a while. He took her in his chariot high over the sea across the sky. The Monkey King called Hanuman helped King Ram with a plan. He built a bridge across the sea so Ram could set Sita free. Then in the battle, fierce and long, Ram showed how he was strong. Ravan killed and Sita saved.
Very good.
Show bold and brave. Then his return to Ayodhya city. Then his journey to Ayodhya city. The people made his journey. And his return to Ayodhya city, the people made his journey pretty by lighting diva lamps on his way. That was until this day. The diva lamps are like guiding lights that show us always good is right from the bad ignorant ways to grand knowledge for our future days.
Very good, Aheli. Next time, what I want you to do is, Aheli, please, when you sing the poem, say it loudly and confidently. You've learned the poem well, right? You've learned the poem well, but you're not saying it confidently. We have to open our mouth properly and pronounce the words properly. Okay? Very nice. Next is Arav. Arav Palaska.
People shed so many tears when Rama left for 14 years in a forest deep where he and Sita used to sleep until Ravan spoiled his life by taking Sita for a while. He took her in a chariot high where above the sea, across the sky.
Over the sea,
across the sky. A Monkey King called Hanuman helped King Rama with a plan. He built a bridge across the sea so Rama could set Sita free. In a battle 5 years and long, Rama showed that how strong he was. Rama showed that he was strong. Ravan killed and Sita saved. Rama was so bold and brave. In his return to
Ayodhya city.
People made his journey pretty by lighting lights along his way. It was until this day.
Is it written on the roof? Arav, it is written on the roof? The poem is written on the roof?
No.
Then what are you looking at the roof? You remember and then you say the poem. Continue. That diva lamps.
The diva lamps guiding lights tell us that always good is right.
And from the dark.
And from the dark, ignorant ways, we gain knowledge for our future days.
Very good attempt. Arav, say it confidently next time. Mama was telling me yesterday in the PTM that he is very shy and he's not actually expressing the way he has to express. He expresses it really well when I hear it. but he doesn't say it in front of the camera. So I told her that he's camera shy probably because he always sits with his camera off in my class. Okay, so you don't have to be shy. You know me very well. For the past 2 years, we've been meeting each other every day, right? Okay, very good. Good attempt. Next is Arna.
Yes, ma'am. The
Yes,
people shed so many tears. Rama left for 14 years. 14 years in a forest deep beneath, and Sita used to seek until Ravan spoiled his life by stealing Sita for a wife. He took his chariot high over the sea and across the sky. The monkey king called Hanuman helped King Rama with the plan. He built a bridge over the sea so Rama could set Sita free. Then in the battle, fierce and long, Rama showed how he was strong. Ravan killed and Sita saved. Rama was so bold and brave. On his return to Ayodhya city, the people made his journey pretty by lighting lamps along his way. So it was until this day. The Diva lamps like guiding lights remind us all that good is right, and from the dark of the errant ways grants knowledge for a future day.
Very good. Next, Arush.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. The people shed so many tears when Rama left for 14 years. 14 years in a forest deep where he and Sita used to sleep. Until Ravan spoiled his life by stealing Sita for a wife. He took her in his chariot high over the sea, across the sky. The monkey king called Hanuman helped Rama with the plan. He made a bridge across the sea so Rama could set Sita free. And then in the battle of fires and long, Rama showed how he was strong. Ravan killed and Sita free. Rama was so bold and brave. And then in the return to Ayodhya city, the people made his journey pretty by lighting lamps along his way, and it was until this day. The Diva lamps like guiding lights remind us all that good is right. And in the dark of ignorant ways grants knowledge for our future days. Thank you.
Very good, Arush. Advika.
Yes, ma'am. Poem The First Diwali. The people shed so many tears when Rama left for 14 years. 14 years in forest deep where he and Sita used to sleep until Ravana spoiled his life by stealing Sita for a wife. He took her in his chariot high over the sea and across the sky. The monkey king called Hanuman helped King Rama with a plan. He built a bridge across the sea so Rama could set Sita free. Then in a battle fierce and long, Rama showed how he was strong. Ravana killed and Sita saved. Rama was so bold and brave. On his return to Ayodhya city, people made his journey pretty by lighting lamps along his way, and so it was until this day. The Diva lamps like guiding lights remind us all that good is right, and from the dark of ignorant ways grants knowledge for our future days. Thank you.
Very good, Advika. Excellent. Advika is back. My old Advika is back. Be like this only, okay? Very good. Next is Ahmed. Ahmed Nurani, Mr. Marshmallow.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you learned the poem?
Ma'am, only one paragraph.
Amazing. Please say that paragraph. I'll be glad to hear that.
People shed so many tears when Rama was left 14 for 14 years and 14 years in a deep forest where he and Sita used to sleep. Ma'am.
That's it.
Yes.
Why did you learn this much also? What made you learn this? Huh?
My mother said that learn it.
Oh, so Mama said that's why you learned. Otherwise, you wouldn't have learned. Right? And why did you not come for the PTM yesterday?
Ma'am, I have sent you the email. My mom wants to talk with you.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, I missed the slot. It was just 10 minutes and I just missed it. Frankly, it was just a coincidence.
Actually, you know, the problem is that later on it's not possible for us to, all the teachers to be together. That's the only problem. Because once we start the PTM, we already have divided the students, the 51 students in all the different slots. That's why. So all those who miss the PTM, you will have to get in touch with the respective teachers after the class. Just tell Emma that, tell the teacher that Mama wants to talk to her and they will give the feedback. I've informed all the teachers. As far as English is concerned, he is not attending the classes at all. You are aware of it.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
Why he is not
करता है मैम, ये बहुत है ना, बहुत परेशान करते हैं. नहीं मैम, नहीं है, मेरे को नहीं अटेंड करना है, मैं नहीं करूंगा. ये जल्दी स्कूल खुले तो मैं आपके वहाँ भेज दूं जल्दी से कुछ हो. ये मेरे हाथ में नहीं रहता है, यूं ऐसी बात है.
हाँ, और मुझे इसकी कोई भी असाइनमेंट नहीं मिली है अब तक. I mean, थोड़ी मिली है, वो भी जब पीछे मैंने आपको बोला था उसके बाद से थोड़ी 1-2 मिली है. कल इसने मुझे भेजी है शायद, बिकॉज इसको पता था PTM है तो मैम बात करेगी, इसलिए उसने भेज दी. और बाकी वो ये रीडिंग, राइटिंग, स्पीकिंग, लिसनिंग कोई क्लास अटेंड नहीं कर रहा है. स्माइल करने से कुछ नहीं होगा अहमद. These classes we are conducting for you people.
मैम, इसका एक्चुअली माइनस अभी यहाँ पे है कि स्पीक प्रॉपर्ली इंग्लिश नहीं कर पाता है. एक्चुअली हमारे
अटेंड नहीं करेगा तो कैसे करेगा?
बोलते ही नहीं है, तो वो उसको अटेंड करे तो उसको ही बेहतर होगा ना वो.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We have specifically kept these classes for 20 minutes on an everyday basis. So if you don't attend, then there's no point. This is for your benefit. If you're not attending, it's your loss, not my loss.
Actually, it's not English. It's like Hindi also he doesn't want to attend, and Gujarati is like he doesn't like Gujarati at all. So he's not at all attending Gujarati. In fact, एकता मैम तो इतना अच्छे से वो करते हैं मैम, इतना बेटा. Still, he's not listening. Only I don't want to learn Gujarati at all. Why this Gujarati has come into my standard? पहले तो नहीं थी, अब क्यों आई? English, Hindi तक ठीक था, अब अलग. ना चलो.
Ahmad, if you don't want to learn Gujarati, you need to change the state. Then move to some other state of India.
Then you have to learn Telugu.
Because if you stay in Gujarat, you have to learn Gujarati. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Change the state. Move to some other state. And if you go to some other state, you will have to learn the local language.
दिल्ली में कौन सी है ना वो होगी?
हाँ, दिल्ली में कुछ ना कुछ
दिल्ली जाएगा अभी बिल्ली लेने. हाँ? Okay, ma'am. That was all that I had to tell you. उसको बस classes attend कराइए. ये
Okay.
सारी. Make sure that he attends. He misses all of them.
या मैम आप थोड़ा आप इसको है ना थोड़ा वो करोगे ना तो ये सीधा चलेगा, जैसे आप स्कूल में करते हो ना तो ही ये सीधा चलता है मैम, नहीं चलेगा ये। मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ ना, ये मेरे हाथ की बात नहीं है, ये आपसे ही वो करेगा ये।
ठीक
थोड़ा
है मैम.
ओके, थैंक यू,
Welcome.
बाय मैम।
Yes, Anubhavi. Sorry for keep you waiting.
Yes, ma'am. The people, sorry, ma'am. The people shed so many tears when Ram left for 14 years. 14 years in a forest deep, where he and Sita used to sleep. Until Ravan spoiled his life by stealing Sita for a wife. He took her to his chariot high over the sea and across the sky. The monkey king called Hanuman helped King Ram with a plan. He built a bridge across the sea so Ram could set Sita free. Then in a battle fierce and long, Ram showed how he was strong. Ravan killed and Sita saved. Ram was so bold and brave. On his return to Ayodhya city, the people made his journey pretty by lighting lamps on his way, and so it was until this day. Uh, with the diya lamps diva lamps like guiding lights remind us all good is right, and dark of ignorant ways grants knowledge for our future days. Thank you.
Very good, Anubhavi. Good job. Yes, Aryan, you can leave. All those who are done with today's poem can leave and get ready for your next class. Yes, Aryan.
The people shed so many tears when Rama left for 14 years. 14 years in a forest deep where he and Sita used to sleep until Ravana spoiled his life by stealing Sita for a wife. He took her in his chariot high over the sea and across the sky. The monkey king called Hanuman helped King Rama with a plan. He built a bridge across the sea so Rama could set Sita free. Then in a battle fierce and long, Rama showed how he was strong. Ravana killed and Sita saved. Rama was so bold and brave. On his return to Ayodhya city, the people made his journey pretty by lighting lamps on his way, and so it was until this day.
Aryan, you're there? Aurav, can you hear Aryan?
No, ma'am.
Some connection problem. I'll just type in the chat box then. Aurav, you start.
The people shed so many tears when Rama left for 14 years. 14 years in a forest deep when he and Sita used to sleep. Until Ravan spoiled his life by stealing Sita for her wife. He took her in his chariot high above the sea and across the sky. The monkey king called Hanuman helped King Rama with a plan. He built a bridge across the sea so that Rama could set Sita free. Then in a battle fierce and long, Rama then in a battle fierce and long, Ram showed how he was strong. Ravan killed and Sita saved. Ram was so bold and brave. On his return to Ayodhya city, the people made his journey pretty by lighting lamps along the way. So it was until this day. The Diva lamps like guiding lights reminds us that all good is right, and from the dark of our ignorant ways, grants knowledge for our future days.
Good, Orav. Dash, have you learned?
Yes, ma'am.
Say. Very good. Say.
The people said so many tears when Rama said for 14 years. 14 years in the forest deep where he and Sita used to sleep. You need Ravan for his life by selling Sita for a wife. He took her in a Toyota high over
Are
the
you
hill
reading
and up.
that?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I have given the test after I closed the English class and I'm on video call only. Bye, ma'am.
Continue.
The monkey king called Hanuman helped King Ram with a plan. They built a bridge across the sea so Ram could set Sita free. Then in a battle fierce and long, Ram showed how he was strong. Ram killed and Sita saved. Ram was so bold and brave. On his return to Ayodhya city, the people made his journey pretty by lighting lamps along his way, and so it was unique day. The Diva lamp, like guiding lights, remind us that good is right, and from the dark of ignorance, ways great knowledge for our future days.
Good. Aryan, say once again.
Ma'am, I
Yes, ma'am.
wants to talk. Mama.
Ma'am, I say?
Ma'am, after
Yeah,
that.
Aryan, you start. Yeah. I'll let Aryan finish, then you call Mama and me.
The people shed so many tears when Rama left for 14 years. 14 years in a forest deep, where his aunt Sita used to sleep, until Ravana spoiled his life by stealing Sita for a wife. He took her in his chariot high over the sea and across the sky. The monkey king called Hanuman helped King Rama with a plan. He built a bridge across the sea so Rama could set Sita free. Then in a battle, fierce and long, Rama showed how he was strong. Ravana killed and Sita saved. Rama was so bold and brave. On his return to Ayodhya city, the people made his journey pretty by lighting lamps along his way, and so it was until this day that Diva lamps like guiding lights remind us all that good is right, and from the dark. I'm done. Catherine?
Yes, fine. Very good, Aryan. Next is Aryan. You can leave for your next class, beta.
Catherine, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah,
Ma'am.
Daksh.
Yes. The people said so many years when Rama left for 14 years. 14 years in the forest deep, where he and Sita used to sleep until Rama his fall his life by schedule Sita for a wife. He took her in his chariot over the sea and across the sky. The monkey came
Daksh,
called
wait, stop. Why is Mama saying and you are repeating? Hmm? Tell me. Come on the screen fast. I can't see you. No, I cannot see you. I can only see your forehead. Yes. Why is Mama saying and you are repeating? You have not learnt? No? You
मैम
forgot?
मैम
Yes, ma'am. हाँ मैम.
वो दो दिन से बीमार था इसीलिए.
और मैम मैंने तो ये पोयम 15 दिन पहले भेजी हुई है.
नहीं मैंने वो देखा नहीं, वो अभी 2 दिन से बीमार था ना, तो कल मैंने जब चेक किया तो मैंने देखा था तभी.
ठीक है, तो इसको एक बार रेडी करके फ्राइडे को करवा दीजिए. फ्राइडे को मैं ले लेती हूँ दोबारा. ठीक है.
हाँ, और कल जो मीटिंग थी वो भी अटेंड है. वो क्या कि सब जीवन खत्म हो गया, क्लास में ही सब चला जाता है.
हाँ हाँ. वैसे तो मुझे कुछ बताना था इसका कि वो काम आपने बोला कि वो कर रहा है घर पे, पर मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है. आपने बोला मुझे नहीं आ रहा, मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है. तो आप अगर देख रहे हो तो मुझे
नहीं मैं करवा ही रही हूँ. 2-3 दिन बाद मैंने आपको भेजने की कोशिश की, लेकिन वो हो ही नहीं रहा. उस दिन जो कंप्यूटर क्लास में जो करवाया था वो शायद हुआ था, और मैम ने रिप्लाई भी दिया था मैम ने कि दैट्स वेरी गुड ऐसा. तो मैंने वो देखा, अभी ये हुआ है तो अभी मेरे को देखना पड़ेगा कि कैसे हो गया.
तो आप
बाई चांस
जीमेल
ही
में
हो
भी
गया.
भेज सकते हो ना. जीमेल में भी भेज सकते हो.
जीमेल में मैंने नयन के लड़के को बताया तो उसने मेरे को बताया और कराया. फिर आपने बोला कि वो आया ही नहीं. मैंने सब पूरा नोट भेज दिया. देखिए आप मानते नहीं, ये इंग्लिश का ही नोट है, ये सब लिखा है इसमें. ये सब लिखा है इसमें, देखिए.
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
पूरा लिखा है.